Welcome to my channel. Today's topic is 10 unique facts about Turkey. Let's start. Number 1. Two continents. Turkey is one of the transcontinental countries whose 97% part lies in Asia while the other 3% part lies in Europe. Istanbul of Turkey is the only city in the world which straddles two continents. 2. Origin of Santa Claus. Nicholas, whom we know today as Santa Claus, was born sometime around 280 AD in Turkey. He was a Christian saint born to wealthy parents in Patara. He received a large amount of wealth when his parents died, which he used to help poor and needy. It is said that he used to drop bags of gold coins down the chimney of houses. That's how the story of Santa Claus originated. 3. Turkish dramas. Turkish dramas have grown radially since the 2000s, and Turkey is the world's fastest growing television series exporter. It has currently overtaken both Mexico and Brazil as the world's second highest television series exporter after the United States. Turkish dramas are slowly gaining popularity all over the world due to nature of plot, the atmosphere, and quality of shooting. 4. World's biggest and oldest shopping mall. Turkey has one of the world's biggest and oldest shopping malls. Grand Bazaar in Istanbul began in 1455, and to this day, it's one of the world's most visited tourist spots, attracting over 90 million local and international visitors per year. 5. Beginning of agriculture. Not only the culture of Santa Claus, but agriculture is also said to have begun from Turkey. Historians believe that agriculture started in Turkey more than 11,000 years before Christ. 6. Sixth most favorite tourist destination in the world. Having hosted the highest number of tourists ever in 2019, Turkey became the sixth most visited country in the world by international tourist arrivals. Number 7. 18 World Heritage Sites. Turkey has a total of 18 UNESCO's World Heritage Sites, including 16 cultural sites and 2 mixed sites. 8. Oil Wrestling. Turkey has a unique national sport, oil wrestling. In this wrestling, wrestlers wear a leather pant called kispet, which is made from water buffalo leather and weighs about 30 kg. They cover their body with oil and apply techniques to get the opponent in a position where his belly button faces the sky and winner is announced. 9. Bread. In Turkey, a meal isn't a meal without bread. Almost every meal you eat will be served with fresh bread. Bread is of such importance in Turkey that even to throw bread is an insult. The richer citizens of Turkey believe that you should never waste bread, as one day you might be poor and in need of bread, regretting the time that you wasted it. Number 10. Evil eye. The evil eye is the spiteful glare, meaning a curse with the intention of hurting someone. It can be cast on anyone by a jealous person who believes that the other person doesn't deserve the life or item they have. So, people made Turkish evil eye beads to ward off the evil. There is also tradition of making bracelets, necklaces, and other jewelry items made of Turkish evil eye beads. These were 10 unique facts about Turkey. Please subscribe.